What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Belko Builds, and today I'm super excited. I got something new for the channel, and it's been a super long time since I've uploaded a video. Obviously over the last few years you've seen an absolute curveball effect with the channel, going to different topics and this and that, between the Fox body, the Jeep, the Bronco, Power Stroke, the Duramax, some other miscellaneous vehicles that I was working on with some friends back home. Obviously some of those aren't going to be fulfilled due to me not being there. I've sold all those vehicles, so we're moving on. We're going to do some new stuff here, some stuff out of our comfort zone. As of today, I picked up a first gen Raptor. This is a 2014, has just under 50,000 miles on it. Got a super good deal on it. This is a truck that I've always really wanted. I didn't want the newer Raptor, obviously, because it's not a V8. It's just something that, I know I'm probably gonna get hated on in the comments for it, but I get it, the power and everything, but I just wanted a V8 personally. So that's what I went out and got. This is gonna be the new fun toy. Obviously I don't tow the big trailer anymore, nothing like that, so that's why I sold the diesel. But this, throw the family in it, I can go hunting in it, go trailer riding, off-road, pretty much whatever I wanna do in it, and I'm super excited to start building this thing. Obviously, first things first, I went out and got tires and wheels. I was initially planning on keeping the truck stock for long as possible, but obviously you start Googling stuff and it kind of just snowball effects. I went out, I got the new setup, the 37, 1250, 17 Toyo RTs, and then I went with the KMC KM544 17x9 wheels. That's the setup. That's gonna be good on-road and off-road for me personally. Through all the vehicles I've had, I've pretty much ran every single tire and wheel combo out there. Not all of them out there, obviously, but a good majority where I have experience in what kind of tire and wheel setup that I like personally for what I did. That being said, I do have some clearance issues in the front. As you know, a super common upgrade on these trucks is to adjust the coilovers to the mid-perch position, which essentially raises the front of the truck a little bit. It's already set on that. It's still not high enough for me, but I went ahead and ordered from Eibach their spring kit. It's supposed to raise it about 3 inches. Not only is it going to raise the truck, but it's going to give me some better ride quality on and off-road as well, a little bit better stability. But we're going to go and test those out. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to go ahead and start tearing off these coilovers. Hope you guys like this one. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we are back from the shop. Got these Eibach springs all installed. Basically, there's a couple other videos on here that would explain it better than I can, directly step by step how to do it. But just to give you the sum of it, this perch I had to move back down to the lowest position as Eibach calls for. Obviously, with the coil compressor, you'll compress a stock coil, so there's no tension on this assembly up here. Loosen the 17mm nut, pretty much pull that off, slowly decompress the coil, and then slide it off of the shock. And then pretty much reverse the steps to put it back on. So pretty straightforward. There's a couple other videos. I'll try to reference them in the description, but as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and get these installed back here on the track. Guys, as you can see, I got the truck all back together and back on its own weight. I'm absolutely stoked on how the truck is sitting. We're sitting completely level front to rear. I wish I would have got a little bit more height out of the front, but I'm not too concerned about it because the 37s do clear from full lock to full lock. In the next video, I'm probably going to go ahead and trim the rear fender due to me actually using the truck and off-roading with it. I want to have that extra bit of clearance here in the back, just so I don't tear up my fenders or even rip off a fender flare or something like that at full articulation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope to see you on the next one, and thanks for watching.